What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Keeping Up Crypto with your boy Xander. I've got another good one for you today. We're going to talk about U.Cash as well as other kind of just pump and dumps in general. So have you guys heard about U.Cash? It's been pretty big as of today in the last day or so. As you can see, as of right now, it is at 773% gain, which is stupid good, but nowhere near as good as or as high as it was whenever it was at its peak, sitting at about 23 cents. So just stupid amounts of gains, well over 1,000, 1,500%. And that's coming from, let's see how old it was. Yeah, going back to yeah, it's just like 2 days old, to be honest. Like, it's 2 days old. It goes all the way back to February 9th. Okay, so 3 days old. Just looking at the 1 day in the chart, yeah, it was on the February 11th that it started gradually going up, had a little bit of a spike, settled down at about 7 cents, and then just popped up all the way to 23 cents. And then had a major drop again, all the way down to 6 cents, 6.5 cents. It's up a little bit, but guys, definitely not a time to buy. I hope you guys, if you did get in on this, I hope you got in down here and then sold at the high. But this is a perfect example of a pump and dump, guys, because somebody clearly got into this. Some really big whales bought into this right about here and just shot this to the moon, sold off, shot it again, and then just gradually sold it off again. These guys, these big whales just dropping coins so fast. And now the problem is for newbies, and you know, it's just hard to know what's a real coin and what's not, and what's going to get you money and what's not, because new people will look at this and they'll see, oh man, this one is going up so fast, especially in this down market right now. They're like, oh my god, I got to get in on this. Maybe they buy it here, maybe they do get it low, and they see it just skyrocket. And they're like, oh man, this is amazing. There's no way I can sell it right now. And that's whenever you do need to take your profits. If you see it just skyrocket like that, man, just cut it off. Like, maybe it'll go up more, maybe it will, maybe it won't, because you don't want to see it just dump off. But yeah, dumped right there. I'm sure that scared the ever-living daylights out of some people. Then it came back up, and if you didn't sell it there, I don't know what you're doing. But from there, it's just been this steep drop off. So you guys, be careful out there. Make sure you're not giving your money into pump and dumps. This coin is considered, right now it's ranked number 26 on the market cap, just over $1 billion market cap. Really kind of came out of nowhere. But I'm just saying, don't invest in the pump and dumps. If something is just skyrocketing and there's no real reason behind it, like they didn't have a reveal or the new partnership, like if they were to join with like Facebook or Amazon or partnership like that, and then they start to gain something like this, that's the only time I can recognize that as a legitimate gains, because obviously it's not going to sustain this. Whenever it gets up this high, there's no way that it's just going to sustain and stay at that 25 cent range. It's clearly going to come crashing down. Now, whether or not it's going to stay at this 12-cent range, I'm going to say no. I think that it probably has a pretty big dip coming in within the next few days. Could be wrong. It could shoot up again. They could be manipulating it even more. But for what we know right now is there's just a good chance of it shooting down after the next day or two. So again, I recommend not getting into this, especially at 12 cents. You guys, if you see something at this all-time high, never get into it. We always say don't buy it at an all-time high. Wait for the dip, okay? And I guess that's really all I got for you guys today. As usual, you know, like, comment, and smash that subscribe button. Let me know what you think about this pump and dump and pump and dumps in general. And tell me how you're keeping up with crypto, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.